We have here a Dacia faulty key. It is completely not working, and we also have a broken button, so we're gonna fix everything. You have just one screw to unscrew, quite easy, a Phillips screw. Inside you have a CR 2016 battery and Keyfob mainboard. The first thing which we want to check is the battery. You can do this, but you don't really need. These batteries aren't that much expensive, and you can see that battery is dead. It's showing in millivolts, which is bad, and we have a new battery and it is showing 3.2 volts. So we're gonna replace that battery. The problem which we have here is that the micro switch for the unlocking is present, but for locking is lost. And I have a brand new housing, but sadly it doesn't contain switches. It is just a plastic housing with a battery holder. So what I'm gonna do is, because it is more convenient for me to have the lock button, because I don't have a micro switch to replace, I'm gonna just switch the position of micro switch from unlocking to locking, and hopefully it's gonna work. It should go relatively easy. You have two clips on the sides, and also you have this metal part here which also needs to be replaced. So it is clicking, it should work. And let's take a new housing, and we also have a new screw, which is nice. So right now the micro switch is for unlocking, for locking, which is what we want. The brand new battery, the battery is in, and let's not forget to replace the main key. So we want to get it back how it was. Okay, that was so. We now have a brand new key. It looks beautiful. One switch is not working, we're gonna replace that. Additionally, we need to reorder that. This is a unlock button and it is not working, but the locking button is clicky and working hopefully perfectly. We're gonna test that now. Check this out. Let's test the key. It works.